Good morning, dear students. Dear students, today we are going to start the topic article writing. Right? It is a part of writing skill and it is of 5 marks. So, what is an article? So, article writing is a quite challenging task. It involves a high degree of creativity, wide vocabulary, thorough knowledge of the subject and a lot of organizational abilities. राइट बेटे, तो जो आर्टिकल राइटिंग है, it means that in the writing skill you have to show your creativity and you must use good and strong vocabulary. ठीक है, राइटिंग articles you all must have read in the newspapers and magazines. Even the students write the magazine articles for the school magazines also. So what are the points that needs to be remembered while writing the article are: give a title that catches the attention of the reader. First point is the title must be very strong, that it catches the attention of the person who is reading the आर्टिकल. ठीक है बेटे, कि आर्टिकल अब कई बार ये होता है कि आपने अपनी राइटिंग में स्किल्स बड़ी अच्छी यूज़ की है, वोकेबलरी बड़ी अच्छी यूज़ की होती है, लेकिन व्हाट हैपन्स कि आपने टाइटल नहीं अच्छा दिया होता उसको. तो टाइटल अगर अच्छा ना हो, सम पीपल रिफ्यूज़ टू रीड दैट, कि कुछ लोग पढ़ते क्यों हैं कि अगर टाइटल बहुत अच्छा है तो टाइटल ही उसको इंटरेस्टिंग बना देता है. ठीक है. सेकेंड वन इज स्ट्राइकिंग ओपनिंग सेंटेंस. जो इंट्रोडक्शन है, जो इंट्रोडक्टरी सेंटेंसेस हैं, दोज मस्ट बी वेरी स्ट्राइकिंग, कि जैसे ही कोई पढ़ना शुरू करे उसका इंटरेस्ट उस चीज़ में बढ़ता जाए, कि द पर्सन हु हैज़ रिटन दिस आर्टिकल, दैट वन is having a great knowledge of the particular topic. ठीक है. Then third one is introduce a new point at the beginning of each paragraph. तो आपने बेटा ये लिखना है 3 to 4 paragraphs में. Your article will be in 3 to 4 paragraph and the word limit is 35 to 150 words. Right? So in each paragraph the new point should be introduced. ठीक है. It will strengthen your article. Then use linking words. Linking words कौन से होते हैं? Conjunctions. So wherever possible use the linking words like however, therefore, although, even though, etc. Then use passive voice. Try to write the article in passive voice. Conclude with the strongest point. कंक्लूजन आपको पता है कि जो एंडिंग है, जो कंक्लूडिंग पैराग्राफ है, इन दैट पैराग्राफ योर वोकेबलरी एंड द सेंटेंसेस मस्ट बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड डू नॉट ऐड टू मैनी कोटेशंस. कोटेशंस अवॉइड करनी है. ठीक है. नाउ बेटा, देयर आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एन आर्टिकल. फर्स्ट वन इज टाइटल और हेडिंग. देयर आर नो प्री डिटर्मिन्ड रूल्स एज सच. ठीक है, कि टाइटल कैसा होना चाहिए, कोई ऐसा हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है. बट इट मे कंप्राइज अ सिंगल वर्ड, अ फ्रेज और अ सेंटेंस ऑफ 4 to 6 words. Right? I think it is clear to you that it can be a single word, it can be a phrase. The title can be in a single word. For example, it can be discipline. It is a single word. It can be a phrase also. Right? For example, the phrase in the way role of father in family. Right? It is not a complete sentence. Then it can be a sentence of 4 to 6 words, like it is the hazards of unsupervised television viewing by kids. ठीक है, इस तरीके से. तो 4 to 6 words तक का हेडिंग हो सकता है. The title should be thought-provoking and catchy and should highlight the theme. Then name of the writer. अब second point क्या आ गया कि name of the writer. Is it to be written or not? Yes. If it is mentioned in the question, Then you will write the name of the writer in your answer. Now where to write it? Sign off your article with your name towards the end. Alternatively, the name can come immediately after the heading in the form of a byline. Right? This I'll explain you in the format of the article also, that either you can write the name of the writer at the end of the article when you have completed it, or you can write it in the second line. Means in first line you have written the heading, and in second line, that is called byline, you can write the name of the writer. Third one is introduction. Keep the topic in perspective, specify it, keeping the reader's interest. Interact by providing some surprising information or interesting facts. ठीक है? As soon as you come to know, dear students, are you listening? As soon as you come to know about the heading, then you will try to write, you will think some very strong points about that topic, and those points you will write in the introduction. Right? Introduction will be of 4 to 5 paragraphs, but it needs to be very strong, because बेटे जब आपका पेपर चेक होता है ना, अगर आपने स्टार्टिंग अच्छी करी है आंसर की, तो समटाइम्स एग्जामिनर इज़ वेरी हैप्पी बाय सीइंग द beginning lines only, and you get the benefit of that writing. Then next, fourth point is description of the topic. Highlight various parts of the topic, like the causes and effects, advantages and disadvantages. तो जो description आएगी topic की, that will be the matter. Then ending, wind up your article with your own views, criticism or suggestion. And conclusion is end the article with a desire, an appeal or a warning. जो conclusion होगा उसमें आप कुछ desire means आप कोई इच्छा show कर सकते हो. You can make any appeal or a warning. Marking detail is like it is of 5 marks. ये question आपको बेटा पेपर में आता है 5 marks का. तो marks की division कैसे होती है? Format, that is heading and writer's name, it is of 1 mark. Organization of ideas is 1 mark, content for 2 marks, and expression that includes accuracy of spelling and grammar, that is of 1 mark. ठीक है? Now I'll show you the format. Now bete, there is format of article. In first line you will write the heading or title. In next line there will be writer's name or XYZ according to the need of the question. If the writer's name is given in the paper, then you will write that, otherwise you will write XYZ. Then first paragraph will be introductory paragraph, second and third paragraph will be related to the matter according to the need of the question, and fourth is conclusion and ending. Right? So bete, you will note down all these things in your fair notebook. Right? Question I'll send you in PDF form. The question related to article will be sent to you in PDF form. Thank you, beta.